Hey guys, back to the channel, and today I have a very special guest. Oh, careful, little buddy. Say hello to YouTube. Yeah, this is BB, and she is very nice. Yeah. Oh, you were so cute. Want any piece of bread? I know you like eating bread. Oh, look at YouTube. Yeah, she likes to jump and stuff. Do you like seeing yourself right there? Not hungry? Do you want your bath? I can get your bath. I'll be right back. Here's your bath. On the roll again. Don't jump. Careful, little buddy. You don't want to get hurt. So, I'm going to see if she wants to get in her bird bath. And then after that, we'll take it from there. Whoa. Chill. Whoa. What's going on? Hey, can you get off my computer? Thank you. Well, I just wanted you guys to say hi to her. She just attacked me. If you guys would like to say hi. Wow. She keeps jumping on me. Well, I'm going to let her stay on my lap. If you guys would like to say hi in the comment section down below, say it, and stay tuned for more, guys. Bye.